Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can make your Discord profile picture invisible. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Now firstly, what you need to do to make your Discord profile picture invisible, you have to simply open your Google app. So you have to simply open your Google app, and then you have to download a transparent black background image, or you can download any transparent image that will make your profile picture invisible. So simply you have to type like the transparent background image, and then you come to this page. Here you have to go to the images section, and then you have to simply choose any of the images, and then you have to simply long hold the image and then tap on the download image button here. When you tap on this the download image, then what it will do, it will save this image on your photos or gallery. So when the image is saved on your device, you have to simply open your Discord app. Then what you need to do, you have to simply go to your user settings by tapping on this your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the user profile option. So when you come to this page, simply tap on this pencil button right here, you can see in the top of your profile picture. Then tap on the change avatar. But when you tap on that, then you can simply open any of the application where you want to choose this transparent image. From here, simply tap on that image, and then it will open in this edit section. So here you can edit your photo, you can resize it, you can crop this photo, or you can zoom in or zoom out. After that, you can simply tap on this tick button in the top right corner. After that, tap on this save changes button in the bottom right corner, and what it will do, it will save this image as your Discord profile picture. So that's it, that how you can make your profile picture invisible. Here you can see. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time. If you have any queries, you can also ask with us in the comments.